Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete Instagram account. So if you want to permanently delete your Instagram account or remove your Instagram account entirely, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now what you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. So this could be on Android and could be on iPhone. So just go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once open it, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then you'll be taken to your Instagram profile page just like this. Click on the menu icon at the top right. Then again, locate and click on the account center while on the settings page. Once you select the account center, scroll down. Locate account settings and click on personal information. Under personal information, click on account ownership and control. Then once you selected account ownership and control, you're going to see account ownership and control. Then locate and click on deactivation or deletion. Then here you'll be prompted to select the Instagram account you want to delete. So in this case, I'm going to select this. Then once you select the Instagram account you want to delete, go ahead and click on delete account, which is the second option. And thereafter click on continue. Once you hit continue, just hang on. You'll be prompted to select the reason why you are deleting your Instagram account. So just go ahead and select the reason why you are deleting your Instagram account. And then click on continue. Once you hit the continue button, you're going to see what that says privacy on Instagram. So if you want to block a user, you want a private account, you want to unfollow a user, or your account was hacked, just select the reason, or better still, to go ahead and delete the Instagram account straight, just click on continue. Once you hit the continue button, then you should see a pop that says you need to confirm your Instagram account password. Then go ahead and confirm your password. Now, once you confirm your password, go ahead and click on continue. Then hang on. Then you're gonna see a pop that says confirm permanent account deletion. So if you continue with this, your account will be deleted February 18, which is a month from now. So just go ahead and click on delete account. So if you don't want to do this, make sure you log in back to your Instagram account in less than 30 days. So to delete your Instagram account, click on delete account and then hang on. Then once you hit delete account, then your Instagram account will be deleted. And then if you have another account on Instagram, then you'll be logged in again and then you're good to go. So that is exactly how to delete account on Instagram. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.